Hi, welcome again to our channel. In this video I will guide how to customize or update Uncode theme footer. Uncode theme comes with a lot of options, so let's have a look. First we will look the footer options in the theme settings. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Uncode theme options. Click footer option in general menu. This option will let you expand the footer to full width. Here you can modify the header type. Specify the content block to use as a footer widget area content. You have number of footer block to use as footer. Here you can modify aspect related to copyright area. This option allows you to modify scroll to top button. So these are the theme options for the footer. Now go to content block and edit the footer with the customizer to change the footer content. Now find the block which we just used in theme options as footer. Now click on Edit Front End. You can see Live Builder is opened and you can change the footer info easily. Just click on Edit option and change the existing text and images. If you want to add new blocks, just click on plus icon on top. Here you have number of blocks which you can add to your footer. Whether you want to add WooCommerce block or WordPress widgets, you have number of options. Here you can see my front page have different footer than the footer which I select in theme option. All I need to do is to edit my front page. Now scroll below to page options. Here you will see footer option. This option allows you to use different footer for each page. As you can see, a different footer is selected for my front page. If you want to use the footer which you select in the theme, change it to inherit. You can also overwrite the default footer settings using the footer option in page settings. So these are the different ways to customize your Uncode theme footer. Please hit the like button and subscribe our channel.